Hi, my name is Ryan Hutchins with Peak Business Valuation. Today, I had an interesting conversation that I want to chat with you about. Um, the question presented to me was, why should we work with Peak Business Valuation versus a online service that performs business valuations? And to be honest, that's a question that I'd never been presented with. um, it required kind of more on the feet discussion points. Um, and during the conversation, I really had a great time chatting with this individual because ultimately there are some benefits of just using an online service, an online valuation service. One that comes to mind is BizEquity. I think it's BizEquity. Um, just because one, their system is based off of artificial intelligence. It has a lot of data points, and just based on how many people they perform business valuations with, it kind of just supports what they're looking at. They have all these numbers and financials of other companies, and so they've built this really robust system. And for I think it's $495. Um, like that's a great option if you're just looking for a quick kind of answer to understanding the value of your business. It makes sense. It's a great option. I don't know any specifics about BizEquity or how they operate. One of the aspects that really differentiates BizEquity versus Peak Business Valuation or any other online valuation tool that's out there, it comes down to one, pretty much communication. When you work with Peak, we spend our first kind of 30 minutes to 45 minutes chatting with you about your needs and why you're looking to get this valuation and how this valuation can help you as either a buyer of a business or a seller of a business or a business owner looking to grow. That conversation really sets the tone for which business valuation type and kind of report you'll need. And business valuations range in prices. A lot of business valuations that we work on aren't required by tax law, like a 409A valuation or a gift and estate valuation, or a fair value. We do a lot of valuation work with business owners, sellers of businesses, and buyers of businesses who are pretty much just looking to get a second opinion or an opinion of the value in order to make better decisions. And by communicating and having that conversation up front and scoping out the valuation, um, we we can address your needs and go above and beyond and help you in achieving your long-term goals or your immediate goals. Another aspect of the communication process is we request your financials and other kind of qualitative information to better understand your business. So when we're looking at market comparable companies and transactions, or looking at the inherent risk associated with your business, we can look at more specifics that kind of describe your business. Because ultimately, your business, to me, to anyone else you work with that deals with valuation or accounting or finance, like, your business is unique, but the underlying structure of businesses across any industry still comes down to a profit and loss and balance sheet. And as a valuation professional, practitioner, like, we're geeks. We love numbers. Like, the numbers tell a story. Your qualitative responses, everything about your business that we discuss and implement and put into our analysis, like, that comes from you. But a bulk of the analysis. It's just looking at numbers. And by communicating with you, getting all these qualitative questions addressed, like that narrative that you share with us ultimately influences the numbers. And so we have these conversations with you so we can help you and help us better arrive at a conclusion of value that is fair and reasonable and supportive and is indicative of your business. And once we deliver the valuation report to your business or to you as the party that engaged us, we want you to read that report and jump on a call with us right after that report. Typically, we jump on a call with clients in 24 hours. And the reason is I want you to digest that information because most people haven't dealt with a business valuation. It's a lot of new lingo and terms, and like valuation reports can be kind of dry and hard to read. We've tried our best to make it more informative, put pictures, and kind of describe what's going on. But when it comes down to it, like I want you to read the valuation report and come up with questions, because ultimately I want you to come to me in our conversation or anyone on our team and discuss that valuation report with those questions in mind, leading the discussion, because those discussions and conversations after a valuation report is looked over by all parties involved is great, because one, you understand the valuation report. Two, you'll understand what you can do with that valuation. And three, you'll know a little bit more about how to look at the value of your business and potentially what you could do to increase the value of that business. It's a great process, and I love valuation. It's something I'm very passionate about. Helping individuals understand the value of a business is very educational. Even though for me I'm looking at the same way of valuing businesses, I work with, well, not myself, but my whole team works with dozens of individuals on a weekly basis to help them understand the value of their business. If you want to understand more about the value of your business and would like to kind of look under the hood and see what you can do with that valuation, if you're a business owner and you're like, holy smokes, like this is the value of my business, or wow, this is not what I expected, this is much lower, like what can I do? Give us a call, 435-359-2684. Not only do we provide you with assistance in the business valuation process, but we also help you with understanding what you can do to increase the value of your business. Ultimately, we're in this to help businesses thrive. And one of the ways we can help you thrive is by educating you. And I know at the beginning I mentioned there's online services. If you would like to go the path of working with an online valuation service, go ahead. Ultimately, that service is good. It's not great. Most people that go that route, it's primarily for price reasons. When you work with Peak Business Valuation, you have a partner. Like, we're in this to help you build a better business. We're in this to help you find someone to work with in terms of financing the business you want to buy. We want to help you not just understand the value of the business, but if there's anyone that we could connect you with, whether you're buying the business and looking for options in terms of financing that acquisition, we know a lot of people. If you're looking to grow your business, we can help you. We have consulting services that we can offer, But at the same time, we know a lot of consultants. We know a lot of individuals that can benefit you and be probably someone better than we are to help you in a certain area. And third, if you're looking to sell your business, we work with business brokers across the country, and we can point you to a business broker that is going to help you find a buyer, or we can kind of help you find someone in a local area. So give us a call, 435-359-2684. We look forward to speaking with you, and we hope you have a great day today. So thank you very much. Bye.